Hi everyone, it's Mark Greggy Salvador Flores Villegas, and today we'll be talking about the influence of development. Influence of development. What is influence of development? Development influences individuals, communities, and societies in multifaceted ways. It also contributes to economic growth, social progress, and cultural enrichment also. Factors such as education, healthcare, infrastructure, and technology shape the trajectory of development. So number one, the first factor of influence of development, stress and arousal. So what is stress and arousal? Stress and arousal plays a significant roles in development. There's actually two factors that can influence the development of children and also adolescents especially. First, let's talk about stress. Stress is the body's response to a perceived threat or challenge. For example, we are in a classroom and your group asks you to present an impromptu speech. And that's the time that you feel challenged and threatened, and that's why you got stressed. Well, stress can really help us sometimes. Moderate levels of stress can enhance performance and motivation, like what I have said, while excessive stress can impair cognitive function and hinder growth. Understanding stress management techniques and promoting a healthy work-life balance are essential for sustainable development. So at the end, stress can really help us to become a better one. Next is arousal. What is arousal? It is a physiological and psychological state of being awoken or of a sense organ stimulated to a point of perception. It involves activation of ascending reticular activating system or ARAS. What is ARAS anyways? Ascending reticular activating system or ARAS is a network arising from the brainstem with dorsal, ventral projections to the thalamic and BF areas respectively, with subsequent widespread excitatory cortical projections. To be continued, in the brain, which mediates wakefulness, the autonomic nervous system, and the endocrine system, leading to increased heart rate and blood pressure and the condition of sensory alertness, desire, mobility, and reactivity. It is also a state of being awake, alert, and responsive to stimuli. It can also refer to a state of sexual excitement or desire. And also a level of alertness, interest, of energy as a person's experiences. So since I have mentioned earlier the autonomic nervous, let me tell you what's the meaning of it. Autonomic nervous system is a component of peripheral nervous system that regulates involuntary physiologic processes including heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, digestion, and sexual arousal. And also, the endocrine system, which I already mentioned earlier, is a messenger system in an organism comprising feedback loops of hormones that are released by internal glands directly into the circulatory system and that target and regulate distant organs and vertebrates and hypothalamus in the neutral control centrifugal or endocrine system. Next is fatigue. What is fatigue? Fatigue is awareness of decreased capacity for physical and mental activity due to imbalance and the availability, use, or restoration of resources needed to perform an activity by Rose of Phillips in 2015. Fatigue, both physical and mental, can impact performance and well-being. First, physical impact. Regular physical activity promotes growth and development, with multiple benefits for physical, mental, and social health, contributing to learning. And also, physical development in early childhood is rapid, with significant changes in weight and height, and is influenced by genetics, nutrition, and overall health. Next is physical capital. Like infrastructure and technology can affect productivity and economic growth, which in turn impacts physical health and access to healthcare by principles of economics. Next is mental impact. Mental health is a fundamental component of human development, affecting an individual's ability to realize their potential, cope with stress, work productively, and contribute to the community by UNDP. Next, Bonnie Benefier's ecological system theory suggests that an individual development is influenced by interconnected environmental systems, which include family, school, community, and broader societal structures by simply psychology. Next, cognitive psychology indicates that various factors affect motivation, problem solving, decision making, learning memory, and more, which are essential components of mental development by very well mind. Adequate rest, nutrition, and relaxation are crucial for combating fatigue and supporting development. Strategies such as time management and prioritization help mitigate the effects of fatigue on productivity and learning. Next is vigilance. Vigilance refers to the action or state of keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. It also involves being alert, attentive, and watchful in often the context of security or safety. Vigilance refers to sustained attention and alertness to potential threats or opportunities. Maintaining vigilance is essential for safety, decision-making, and more. Techniques such as mindfulness and situational awareness enhance vigilance and promote effective development. Lastly, the conclusion. The components of development, including stress, arousal, fatigue, and vigilance, are interconnected and dynamic, shaping individuals' collective progress. Understanding and managing these factors are essential for fostering growth, motivation, learning, adaptation, and positive developmental outcomes. And I think that's it. That's the influence of development. This is Greggy, Salvador, Villegas. I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.